Introduction to Cybersecurity. The digital landscape. In a world driven by technology, our lives are increasingly intertwined with the digital landscape. We rely on the internet and digital devices for communication, work, entertainment, and more. The digital landscape includes computers, networks, smartphones, IoT devices, and the vast amount of data. The cyber threat. These threats come in various forms: hackers, cyber criminals, state-sponsored actors, and even insiders. Their motives range from financial gain to espionage, disruption, or activism. Vulnerabilities and targets. Cyber threats exploit vulnerabilities in digital systems. Vulnerabilities can be found in software, hardware, or human behavior. The targets are diverse: individuals, businesses, governments, critical infrastructure, and more. The consequences. When cyberattacks succeed, they have real-world consequences. Financial losses, data breaches, identity theft, and reputational damage are thus the beginning. In some cases, lives may be at risk, especially in critical infrastructure like power grids or healthcare systems. The cybersecurity heroes. Our heroes, the cybersecurity experts, step into the scene. They are the defenders of the digital realm, working tirelessly to protect against cyber threats. Their toolkit includes firewalls, antivirus software, encryption, and a deep understanding of digital vulnerabilities. The battle between cyber threats and cybersecurity experts is ongoing. It's a cat-and-mouse game where attackers constantly evolve their tactics, and defenders respond with new strategies. Cybersecurity professionals employ techniques like intrusion detection, threat intelligence, and incident response. Government and regulations. The battle between cyber threats and cybersecurity experts is ongoing. It's a cat-and-mouse game where attackers constantly evolve their tactics, and defenders respond with new strategies. Cybersecurity professionals employ techniques like intrusion detection, threat intelligence, and incident response. Ethical hacking. Ethical hackers, or white hat hackers, use their skills to find vulnerabilities before malicious actors do. They perform penetration testing and security assessments to strengthen digital defenses. Cybersecurity awareness. Public awareness of cybersecurity is crucial. It's a collective responsibility to stay informed, report suspicious activity, and support cybersecurity efforts. Conclusion. As the digital landscape expands, so does the importance of cybersecurity. We must remain vigilant, adapt to changing threats, and work together to secure our digital world.